Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can allow websites to use and to access your microphone via Google Chrome really quickly. So let us dive into this. So launch Google Chrome and access your browser settings in the first step. To do that, click on the three dots here in the top right corner of your home screen and select settings here at the bottom. Now inside your settings, guys, all you need to do is head over to privacy and security here on the left panel, and from the privacy and security section select site settings here at the bottom. Now here in the site settings, scroll down a bit till you get to the permissions section, and here we'll see a feature called microphone. Sites can ask to use your microphone, so click on it. And there are two different ways how you can adjust and customize this. So you can, for instance, set a default behavior to give a general permission to all sites to ask you to use your microphone, or simply don't allow these sites to use your microphone in general by selecting that feature. Alternatively, guys, you may set that individually for websites here in the customized behavior section below. For instance, you can set a custom rule for a specific website. As you can see, canva.com has currently given the permission to use my microphone, so I could revoke or take away that permission by clicking on the trash icon here to the right. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.